Hi and Assalamualaikum to everyone, and Sir Firdaus as our lecturer. We are from Group J or Krypton. Will be present about teakwood. This is all member in our group. Firstly, myself, Muhammad Hafzuddin bin Roslam, Muhammad Syazwan bin Rosli, Wan Ahmad Zikri Wan Muhammad D, Nur Syahira binti Muhammad Safi'i, and lastly, Nur Izzati binti Bahrom. So, Wan Ahmad Zikri will be present the introduction.
First and foremost, about introduction. Teak is a hardwood species. The wooden is talk about making indoor and outdoor furniture. It has assembly good look and herbal insect and decay resistant resident. It is especially located in Asia. But it is made in cold and used global for outside and inner application. The hardwood of teakwood is golden and medium brown, while softwood is creamy white.
Teakwood. The common name for teakwood is teak or Burmese teak, and the scientific name for teakwood is Tectona grandis, or also known as T. grandis. The IUCN status for this species were listed as endangered and red list, which means the species has a high percentage to extinction. The origin of the teakwood were from the Tamil or Malayalam, known as Tevaram. The distribution were from native to South Asia. It is widely grown on plantation throughout tropical region of Africa, Asia, and Latin America.
Manufacturing process. The chemical process involved in the manufacturing process is the wood gasification process. Chemical treatment is an important process. Is the first step involved in the manufacture of furniture. Treatment gives a longer life to furniture that provide high resistance to damaging agents such as diggers and termites. Chemical treatment is a vacuum and high pressure is created in the chamber to remove the trapped air completely, and then the liquid chemical is pumped into the chamber to a minimum. After this chemical treatment, for 1 to 2 hours, the logs are removed and stacked vertically for natural drying with at least a 25 mm gap between each for air to pass through. Once the chemical treatment is complete, the wood is sent for the kiln drying process. Wood gasification is a high temperature process carried out with limited and controlled air or oxygen, producing wood gas, especially methane, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen that can be used as fuel or to produce methanol and other organic compounds. Gasification is also to convert organic or fossil-based carbonaceous materials to carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. This is achieved by reacting the material at high temperature at 700 Celsius without combustion with a controlled amount of oxygen and vapor. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next, waste management and safe disposal for the use of chemical in manufacturing process. There are four steps of chemical waste management before disposal is done. First, dispose of water waste in a suitable container. Second, all solvent used should be stored in bottles that are labeled and appropriately. Third, organic solvent should be separated into two names: is halogen and non-halogen. And last, separate chemical waste according to the class that has been set by the party responsible for disposal. Disposal of chemical waste must comply with depot standard by environment quality regulations so that it does not threaten the safety of life in the future.
There is 4 characteristics of product prospect, which is popularity, price, value, and contribution to economy. The teakwood popular because of the strength of the product, who can provide a lifetime and more of use indoors and outdoors. As example is a dining table and chair. Other than that, the color of the wood could attract the furniture makers and homeowners because of the beauty of the color of wood. The teakwood also adaptability because the natural benefits such as strength, durability, warm color, resistant to termites or other damaging elements. As you guys can see, this is the price of furniture, wall decoration, and gazebo based on teakwood. To have a better and a quality wood, it needs a proper care. As you guys can see, this is such a huge amount that costs from the land, planting and management, equator and investment. So the teakwood also help to contribute to economy by generate income to commodity sector through export activity. It also gained 8.9 billion ringgit Malaysia in 2018 and 23.3 billion in 2017. It also can provide employment opportunities since a lot of Malaysian are unemployed, whether a fresh graduate or non-fresh graduate.
Is the product using the teakwood?
The conclusion that our group can make from our research, teakwood has high density and strength, stability, good durability and attractive wood shape. Teak is favored for its high quality timber. The growth of the hardwood is connected to the main wood component. Despite the decreased source from wide forest, the long-term hope of short rotation plantation ground teak appear better, and the following end-use criteria are considered important.
There is some reference that we used in this assignment. That's all for our group. Thank you.